The 2025 Jaguar XJS 1975 edition in metallic gold is where timeless elegance meets the power of modern engineering, and this car is here to redefine what luxury performance truly feels like. On Auto Upgrade Nation, we're diving deep into the heart of this stunning machine that carries the soul of the original 1975 Jaguar XJS but with the innovation and precision of 2025 automotive technology. The first thing that captures your attention is that striking metallic gold finish, sleek, reflective, and dripping in sophistication. Under bright lights or natural sunlight, it glows with that deep golden shimmer that screams class, perfectly complementing the classic Grand Touring lines that made the original XJS legendary. It's not just a color, it's a statement of prestige and power. The design pays tribute to its roots but has evolved beautifully for the modern era. The long, sweeping hood, the curvaceous side profile, and the signature rear haunches remain, but everything is sharper, more aerodynamic, and crafted with precision aluminum panels to reduce weight. The front fascia now features adaptive matrix LED headlights with a new feline-like intensity, framed around the updated Jaguar grille that merges vintage charm with futuristic detailing. The sleek air vents, hidden door handles, and 20-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels make it look aggressive yet graceful. From every angle, this XJS looks like a work of automotive art, one that moves as beautifully as it stands still. Under the hood, Jaguar has gone all out. The 2025 XJS offers a hybrid powertrain that merges the classic 5.0-liter V8 heritage with an electric boost system, delivering a combined output of 620 horsepower. This beast launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, an unbelievable performance for a car rooted in 1970s DNA. The power delivery is instant, smooth, and relentless, offering that deep growl when you push the throttle, balanced by silent electric precision during cruising. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, adapting to your driving mood through Jaguar's dynamic drive control. Whether you're on a city street, a winding coastal road, or a long highway stretch, the XJS handles every moment with poised confidence. The suspension has been re-engineered for 2025, featuring adaptive dampers and intelligent all-wheel drive technology that adjusts in real time for maximum traction. It glides over bumps like a luxury cruiser but corners like a sports coupe, giving you that perfect balance between comfort and control. The steering feels alive, responsive, light, and accurate, making you feel connected to the road in a way that few cars can match today. The braking system uses ceramic composite rotors, providing instant stopping power and fade resistance, making sure this power-packed beauty remains safe and predictable at high speeds. Step inside the cabin and you'll feel the perfect blend of heritage and future. The interior wraps you in the kind of luxury only Jaguar can deliver. Soft tan leather, real walnut veneer trims, and brushed aluminum accents, all hand-finished to perfection. The seats are 20-way power adjustable, ventilated, and memory-equipped, offering both comfort and sportiness. The ambient lighting can be customized across 64 colors, creating the right atmosphere for every drive. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the golden theme even more. Technology in the 2025 XJS takes things to the next level. The center console houses a floating 14-inch curved OLED touchscreen running Jaguar's Pivi Pro system with ultra-fast navigation, AI-based driver assistance, and voice recognition that actually works. The 12-inch digital driver display gives you real-time performance data, while the heads-up display projects essential information right onto the windshield. The Meridian 3D surround sound system with active noise cancellation turns every drive into an immersive experience. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates come standard. Safety is fully upgraded with Jaguar's 2025 suite of intelligent systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, autonomous emergency braking, and 360-degree camera monitoring. The car even features predictive AI that learns your driving habits, adjusting suspension stiffness, climate control, and even seat position before you step in. This isn't just smart, it's intuitive luxury that anticipates your needs. From the outside, the rear design remains instantly recognizable. Those classic XJS taillights have been modernized with sleek LED signatures, connected through a thin illuminated strip that runs across the trunk. Dual chrome exhaust tips remind you that this is still a performance GT, and the subtle rear spoiler adds both elegance and downforce. The metallic gold tone glistens over every curve, giving this machine an unmistakable presence on the road. Every inch of this 2025 Jaguar XJS 1975 Metallic Gold Edition celebrates 50 years of the XJS legacy with style, strength, and sophistication. It's not just a revival, it's a redefinition of what the Jaguar spirit stands for: luxury, power, and emotion. This is the car that bridges generations, capturing the soul of the original while delivering the performance of tomorrow. It's a living masterpiece for those who appreciate art, engineering, and heritage rolled into one unforgettable driving experience. If you love cars that blend the old-school heart with new-age innovation, the 2025 Jaguar XJS Metallic Gold is pure perfection, reborn for the modern world, timeless, bold, and built to thrill. For more legendary car transformations and futuristic upgrades, stay tuned to Auto Upgrade Nation, where classics meet tomorrow's technology in the most breathtaking way possible.